Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use motion capture mode on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. First of all, open the camera application on your smartphone and then make sure that you are in the photo mode and tap on the down arrow icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select motion photo to enable it. Then just take a photo of any object. And instead of a regular photo, you will get a moving picture. So it's something in between photo and video. Just a photo that slightly moves when you open it. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.